All, Commerce with Mac here. In this video I'm going to explain you can you buy 4000 hours and 1000 subscribers. You all need to know that many of you might have seen certain advertisements are running in Facebook, on social media platforms, where they say that you can purchase 4000 hours and 1000 subscribers and then you can get monetized. Listen to this very carefully, guys. This is illegitimate, and if you are starting to ruining the algorithm of YouTube, you are not going to make it. So you all need to understand that the moment you purchase 4000 hours and 1000 subscribers, you will get monetized, to be honest. But after a weave of your channel will be reviewed by the YouTube panel, and then YouTube will see that a lot of people are coming from different sources, and all of a sudden your channel is booming. But after sometimes your channel's audience will fall down, because these people who are selling the 4000 hours and 1000 subscribers, they are contract between you and them. They give the monetization. After that, they don't work for you. So after that, what happens? You don't have an audience base. You put videos no one is going to see, and you have you will try to earn money, but you won't be able to, because there's something called CPM and RPM, which I'll be explaining on the next video. But you all need to understand that if you want to earn money in YouTube, you all should not go in the illegitimate way. The moment the YouTube channel finds out that you have done an illegitimate way to get some subscribers and hours, they will close down your channel. So you should be very careful on that particular thing. So in this video I'm trying to explain you, if you want to build an audience to create 4000 hours and 1000 subscribers, you need to start it slow and smooth, and also go in a consistent way where you can earn their trust and build an audience. Never go in the wrong route, because wrong route will not help you out to do what you want. And there's something called algorithm. As I said, some people, you will get like 4000 hours in a month of time, but after that no one is watching you, so your algorithm falls down. When your algorithm falls down, YouTube notices you, and then you will be sacked off from the YouTube channel. So to be careful, for your warning, I'm saying that never ever plan to start your YouTube channel with an illegal way, and also don't go through shortcuts. Always go through the long way, and that will pay you a lot of money. So on the next video I'm going to explain you how to set up a YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and comment your questions on this video.